Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and we have been doing a massive project in our backyard. And I am so thankful for this steel cart from Horseshoe. This heavy duty steel cart has been a lifesaver for our backs. It has an 880-pound load capacity, and the fact that it turns into a flatbed means you don't have to worry about the cargo size at all. Now, I love that it has never flat tires, meaning you don't have to fill these with air at all. The material is made out of carbon mesh steel that is anti-rust, so you can definitely use this outdoors, and it has a water liner if you do want to put things like mulch, leaves, or dirt that you don't want to fall through. Otherwise, we've mostly been using it as a flatbed, and it has been a lifesaver. And it has a 180-degree swivel, so it's pretty easy to navigate it even when it is loaded with a pretty heavy load. I think you are going to love this cart. If you have a big yard or anything that needs a big amount of work, you need to get yourself this steel mesh cart from Horseshoe. But that's my point of view.